More louder. This is a kind of exercise. During winter season, you feel more hot. And there is better blood circulation as well. And side. Hands down. Stand at it. So today we have got a birthday girl. Suprema Mazi, please come front. Okay. We have got system to wish in Eastern way as well as Western way. Are you ready? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Shubha Tava Janma Deva Sarva Mangala. Are we louder? Jaya 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 Tava. Sukha Santi Samriddhi. Shubha Tava Janma Deva Sarva Mangalam. Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam. So, today is 2080, Mangsir 12th, Monday? Tuesday, right? Tuesday. So that's why they are wearing this type of dress. And a wonderful day for Suprema. Okay, let's sing in Western way. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Louder. Okay, now let's hear birthday speech from birthday girl.
Today is my birthday. I am so happy. Thank you so much.
Okay, she is very happy. And she thanked everybody for wishing her. All right. So, as usual, according to your routine, first subject will be held in fourth period and second subject will be held in seventh period. And next thing, while adding paper, ask your teacher only one page. I have noticed you are wasting the paper. Paper must not be wasted because paper is made from plants. If you start preserving paper, there will be conservation of trees and biodiversity. Don't ask more and more paper and waste it. Attention. Cover up. Hand side. Hands up. Hand side. Hands down. Stand at it. Attention. So as usual, today also you will go to temple, get blessings, and go to your class and study. Mass time.